This is a beaker of sugar. Sugar is made up of carbons and hydrogens and oxygens. In other words, sugar is made up of the same stuff that we're made up of. In this demonstration, we're going to once again demonstrate why it's so important to wear goggles. Because playing the part of your goggles is going to be, of your eyes, is going to be sugar. Sugar is made up of the same atoms that your eyes are made up of. Alright, so let's put this back. This is just water. This is just water. And I'm just going to pour 1 milliliters of water in there just to wet it. Just to wet the sugar a little bit. This is battery acid. It is very concentrated battery acid. In chemistry, we refer to it as sulfuric acid. Very dangerous stuff. Okay, so what's going on here? There is a simple explanation and then there is a much more complex explanation. I'm going to do the simple explanation. The chemical formula for sucrose is C12H22O11. Okay? And what's going on when you are hitting it with sulfuric acid, you're actually hitting it with the hydrogen ion. Sulfuric acid is a very strong acid, which means it gives off hydrogens. And it's this hydrogens that literally tears this thing apart, so that on the other side you get carbon plus water. Carbon plus water. Now, a lot of energy is produced, making this an exothermic reaction. So the reason why it puffs up is because as the sugar is made into carbon, within it you will have steam produced. So as the steam is produced, the pressure of these gases is going to make the carbon puff up. So what you're seeing is the carbon being puffed up, kind of like marshmallows get puffed up, kind of like even popcorn will be puffed up. So the carbon is puffed up by the steam that's inside of it that is trying to escape. So the steam is what is causing the carbon, what looks like soot, graphite, what's causing the carbon to puff up and climb out of the beaker. Okay, so here I am adding the acid and mixing it up. You're seeing it turn black. The black means that you are creating carbon. Now, you're going to start seeing steam. Do you see the steam? You see the steam coming out. So as the steam comes out, it's going to puff up the carbon that's left over. That is very, very hot right now. Can you imagine what would happen if that was your eyes?